So hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can change your ringtone settings in your mobile Oppo A54. So guys, here we go. At first for that you have to go in settings. So after going in settings, scroll down, and guys you can see this sound and vibrations. So you have to click here and you have to go down. See here you can see this ringtones. Click here, and after that you should allow permissions. And guys, I will show you now by clicking this how you can change your ringtones. So this is the mobile ringtones. So if you want to keep another ringtones from your another files, you can click here, select from files. So you have to allow, and guys, I have only one songs in my another file. So if you want to click your another songs for your ringtones, you can click your any songs from these files. So this how you can set your ringtones from in Oppo A54 mobiles. So guys, this how you have to do, and thanks for watching this video.